What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. And my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Today is going to be another minimalist video. Today is going to be the book edition part 3. I'm finally getting rid of my books. I'm going to show you a little bit of how I do it, what I do, and how to send them away to Amazon. FBA fulfilled by Amazon. I'm going to do it real quick. It's just going to be a quick overview and stuff like that. So let me get things settled and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So hopefully everybody's doing great. So this is my setup right here real quick. This platform that I'm using is called Inventory Lab. And that's where you put your inventory, and then this will send the information to Amazon. You can do it straight through Amazon, but I think the interface is not that great to Amazon. So Inventory Lab, and you can sell anything, books, on any type of products that you have. You can use Inventory Lab. Inventory Lab costs $40 a month. However, first 30 days is free. So if you want to get rid of stuff real quick in 30 days, you can just put it on here real quick. But let's do a quick analysis real quick. Let me put this camera down so you can see. Man, I need to get better and learn how to do some of this camera work, but I'll be alright. So let me fix this. So that's that. So this is how it works. I got this book right here. That's Steve Jobs' book. Let me take off the 50% off. Now this, I paid a lot of money to learn how to do this stuff. Not really that much, but I paid because I just wanted to know how the hell FBA. I didn't even know what FBA stand for, and I wanted to know how it works. And so I decided to get one of the cheapest programs that was out, and that's selling books. It gives you an idea. Later on, I want to learn how to do other stuff, but I want to do this real quick. So you get the book right here, Steve Jobs. This got a whole bunch of pages. Now, since I'm just starting off with this, well, I'll explain to you real quick. I got a barcode scanner. You see the barcode scanner? Boom, 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 boom. You go over here, and you're gonna it's not working. Oh, there it goes. So you see how it's searching, and there it goes, boom. So if you check the rankings right here, it's ranked 7,341. The lower the ranking, the faster it will sell most of the time, just in general. Usually if it goes up to the millions rank, it takes a longer time sometimes. It just depends. You know how this internet stuff works. It's crazy, and it just depends. So depending how much you bought the book for, you can check that. So now what we're gonna do is let me move this right here. I know it sucks right now, but I'm just trying to give you a quick way to do it. Right here, they automatically put that the book is, you can sell it for $12.99. But what you do is you go to there's a button here that's the Amazon Prime button. Let's generate this. Let's go. And this is a what I just used here is called Keepa. You can go to keepa.com, I believe it is, and get the extension for your browser. And this is like the stock market. It tells you when it's bought right here. You know, every dip is a bought 1469, and this what I really don't matter. This used to be free, but this right here is the sales rank, which is important, and they'll graph it out for you. But I think it's like $10 a month now, and I don't know about that. I don't know about that yet. So you can also go to Camel. This is another great extension to have. It's almost the same thing. So you see, it's like the stock market of books. It tells you how Amazon. I put it for the last. Let's put it for the last 3 months. So right here, every time you see a dip, it sells, you know, and stuff like that. So Green is Amazon, third party. Red is third party. So on Amazon, the lowest that is sold in the last year was $8.15, and then the highest $16.25. Current is at $12.99. So now this book is basically brand new. It's basically brand new. So let me look at it. It's basically it's brand new. So this is just Amazon real quick. You go to that, and then I go back to Inventory Lab, and it's $12.99. Let me go back real quick. They have $11.42, $11.62, $11.75. So I'm just thinking, $11.42. You can put it at $11.41 and undercut him, but then you might have a bidding war and stuff like that. So, I'm new at pricing. I'm really getting into the point of pricing. So, so let's go back. So $11.42 is what they got the highest. Let's see what he's ranked, where he's at. They don't show his. So I go back here. So I mean, they said $12.99 and net profit would be $1.98. The thing is, what you want to do when you go sourcing out your book, let's say you get the book for 10 cents, 20 cents. So let's say you did get the book for like 10, 50 cents. You can even see the return on investment is like 99%, depending how much you get it for. So, I mean, you sell it for $12.99, net profit is $1.98. You gotta understand it costs and stuff like that. But when you're going out to source books, you want to get books between 10 cents and $1. Once you get used to it, you'll know what sells and what doesn't sell. So ranking, the lower, it sells quicker, but you don't put the you might not make as much of a profit. It just depends on the book. I mean, if it's a old book, you can. It just depends on the book. They just keep it like that. So boom, $12.99. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at $12.99. I'm just gonna leave it at $12.99. You go here, and since this is a brand new book and I'm brand new, I'm gonna put used and acceptable. I could put new if I wanted to, but sometimes you have to over deliver once you start a business. Over deliver in the beginning. And then once you over deliver, you get good ratings and stuff like that. They say, oh, it's used and acceptable. But once they receive the book, they see that it's brand new. So that's that. And then right here, then I go to, I'm going to leave it at $12.99. Then I'm going to put add to batch. And then you might see it print out from here. Well, no, it's not going to print out because it's going to a different station, and Amazon wants it somewhere else. So this is what I do. Usually you have to set up a box. You set up a box like that. But since I've been getting a lot of different warehouses and stuff like that, so I just get a piece of paper. I know this is bootleg, but you get to learn something real quick. And it's going to fat one. So that, and then you press OK, and then you get this label, Dynamo printer. Boom. It's a label writer. And you're going to see it pop up. So you don't have to do everything by hand. Boom. It got your bar scan on here. So once somebody else buy it, they scan that, and that's how you get paid. And then use acceptable Steve Jobs. It's that simple. Once you learn the techniques, once you learn how to source books, you're good to go. And then you can either put it in the box once it's set up. The thing is with Amazon, you don't want to send more than, you know what? Let me stop this and I'll come right back and I'll explain. I'm just gonna make this very short. Like I said, you get a box and you have to label it. Right here, label it where it's going. What warehouse and whatever, stuff like that. But once you print out the shipping information, you put it on top. And then with Amazon, when you send books, you don't want to send more than 49 pounds. I believe it gets more expensive after that, but you don't want to send more than 49 pounds per box. So that's why I do it like this, because I'm just gonna be waiting and waiting and waiting for the next to to fill up a box. And I got so many over here, all books on the floor, just getting ready to get rid of everything. So there goes my quick tip of the day. Minimalism life, getting rid of all my books. Just sell everything. The less you have, the less depression, the less you need. Thank you for watching my video. Peace. And sorry about the tank top. I usually don't wear tank tops, but I did go to the gym. I had it underneath my shirt. I'm not a tank top person. I'd rather have like a regular white t-shirt, but that's another life. Peace.